Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about your business on Facebook. Let's get started. Social media is full of active users who are looking for interesting, entertaining posts like text posts, images, or videos, and also discover businesses who also have their online presence using Facebook pages. Business owners should have their own social networking sites like Facebook so that they can promote their business not only in their physical store but also promote their products and services online. It is important to establish your business's online presence, especially on Facebook, as you can interact with your customers using the platform. There are over 2 billion active users on Facebook. Most of your business's target customers are browsing posts and engaging on Facebook. When you have a Facebook business page, it is possible that your audiences can discover your page as they browse through the platform. Facebook's algorithm can suggest your Facebook page to different Facebook users who are also interested in your business niche. People who liked and follow businesses the same as yours will also be able to see your Facebook business page as one of the suggested pages to those users. These people who could discover your business page on Facebook can look into your content, get to know your brand, and they might be interested in the products that your business offers. When they discover your business, they might inquire about the products that you offer. It is also best to engage with your potential and regular customers on your Facebook page. Make sure to reply to their inquiries in less than 24 hours. This can help build a good relationship with your customers. People want to get instant answers when they inquire about a product on your business page. If you have a business page on Facebook, but you're not replying to your potential customers' comments on your posts or private messages, they can be disappointed with your business. Instead of choosing your business, they might find another business that is also offering the same product as yours. People prefer businesses that respond to their inquiries and comments right away, so it is important to engage with your customers in just a few hours to give them a good experience with your business. When your business is on Facebook, you can drive more people to your website, which can increase your website traffic. This is helpful for businesses that have an e-commerce website. As people go to your website, they can purchase the products that you offer on your site. Your Facebook business page has attracted people to view your page, learn about your products, click on your website, and purchase your products on your e-commerce site. This can help you increase your sales, and your customers who had a good experience with your business can like and follow your page or even share your page or posts within their network. As a result, you'll be able to attract more visitors to your Facebook page, like your page, and follow your page. That will help you a lot in growing your Facebook page. Now that you know about your business on Facebook, we can now proceed to the next topic, how you can profit from Facebook pages. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.